Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to disable check for spelling errors when type in Opera browser. So how to disable check for spelling errors when type in Opera browser? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here there are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the spell check menu. Then tap to disable check for spelling errors when type. This feature allows users to disable automatic spell checking when typing in the Opera browser, so that the text is no longer checked or marked for errors. So that's it, the tutorial how to disable check for spelling errors when type in Opera browser. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.